What is an SMS win-back campaign? And does it actually work? It's a targeted series of texts sent to customers who have gone quiet. People who used to buy from you but haven't lately. Here's why it works. Text messages have a 98% open rate. Your email might sit unread for days, a text gets seen in minutes. And lapsed customers are easier to win back than new ones. They already trust you. They just need a reason to return. The strategy starts with knowing who's gone quiet. Define inactivity for your business. For most e-commerce stores, that's 60 days without a purchase. For subscription services, it might be 30 days without logging in. Next, segment by behavior, because not every lapsed customer left for the same reason. A customer who stopped buying after a bad experience needs a satisfaction guarantee. A price-sensitive shopper needs a discount. A loyal customer who simply drifted away just needs to feel valued. Match your message to the reason they left, and your chances of winning them back go way up. Then build your 3-message sequence. Send your first text when inactivity hits your threshold. Follow up 1 week later if they haven't responded. Send one final message about a month after that. 3 messages total. That's the ceiling. More than that pushes people away for good. Once the workflow is built, automate everything. The system tracks activity, pauses the sequence if someone converts, and closes it out when they do. You set it up once. It runs on its own. Build and automate your full SMS win-back strategy with MailChimp. Visit MailChimp.com to start free.